Good day everyone, my name is Yanolua. Today we'll be continuing with the walkthrough for the OWASP Top 10, which is brought to us by TryHackers for the Learn OWASP with PS program. So today we'll be looking at the task for day 5, which is broken access control. So going over to the task for day 5, we are going to understand website app pages are protected from regular users. For example, if the site admin user should be able to access a page to manage other users. So basically, it's what you see like in every day-to-day activity. You have an application, you can log in as regular user, and the admin can also log in as the admin user and manage other users, manage other parts of the page. So and we have scenarios provided to us. You can read through the material and make sure you understand how it works. So moving over to the challenge, we are told we have IDOR or insecure direct object reference, and we are given the definition, how it works. So basically it's when you log into an application, you are authenticated, you can access your own resources, but you can also access other people's resources without your application throwing an error. So basically, when you can access other people's resources, that's IDOR or insecure direct object reference. So to complete these tasks, we have to deploy a machine. But before we do that, we must make sure we are connected to the VPN. So we can head over to where we have our VPN file. I have mine in downloads. Then you can connect using OpenVPN. Once we are connected, you can deploy the machine and give it some time to come up. So our machine has been deployed. Again, we can read through the material, make sure we understand it. And the first question is read and understand how IDOR works. Once you are done with that, you can tick. Then deploy the machine and go to the IP address, log in with the username NOT and password test134. So we are logging with the username NOOT and password test134. So we head over to the page and see if it is up. Okay, so the site is still coming up. We'll give it some time. Okay, so the page is up now. We are told we can log in with the username NOOT and the password of test1234. So after logging in, we are provided with these notes. I am not, and if you look at the URL, you have the note equals 1. So what if we say the note once is 2? It doesn't throw us an error. That means we are able to access these other resources. So we can keep going. Note equals 3, note equals 4, any number of notes we want. But going back to the question, look at other users' notes. What is the flag? So the first thing is, since we log in, our note is 1, we can check to see if there's a note 0. And looking at that, we have the flag. So that's all for the task for day 5. It's a basic IDOR vulnerability, and that's how we can exploit it. So thank you once again. We'll see you at the walkthrough for day 6.